Well, the first Washington County Quorum Court meeting wrapped up here tonight just a few hours ago, and much of the discussion revolved around the hiring of the County Attorney Brian Lester and the judge's report. Now, Lester was hired by Judge Wood after former County Attorney Steve Zega was not rehired at the end of last year.
I want to support you. I do support the judge in his decisions, but I'm just saying at present, I would like to just strike this part until we have the answers and we can listen to both sides.
Some county leaders say they have unanswered questions about the hiring of department heads by Judge Wood.
I hear questions from my constituents. I don't have answers.
Sure.
I want answers so that way I can defend the decisions and support it.
Human resource documents state that the newly elected officials can interview and rehire employees before taking office. Brian Lester, who took over the county attorney position, says that Judge Wood followed policy.
Any county employee that is not hired by another elected official, the only authority in the state to make those hirings is the county judge.
Lester says it was a, quote, instantaneous transfer and that the practice is according to state law.
And the county judge gets to make those decisions and have those people ready and to take office and to start the exact same time he does so that there's not a lapse in county government.
The authority of the judge is very well pointed out on that page, and I wish everybody would want to read it.
Some Quorum Court members pointed out there are discrepancies between county ordinances and the employee handbook that need to be addressed. County leaders will hear Zega's grievances tomorrow. J.P. Sue Madison says she wanted members to be impartial at the grievance hearing. She later abstained, removing her motion to second the amendment due to her position within the Personnel Committee. And Justice of the Peace Lisa Ecke, she later withdrew her motion to amend the judge's report. And it was later passed in the middle of the meeting, officially approving County Attorney Brian Lester as the new hire for the county attorney position. Now, Lester told Quorum Court members that he was going to bring in someone from the Arkansas Association of Counties to be able to answer some of their questions that were brought up tonight. Live in Fayetteville, Allison Wise, 4029 News.
Okay, thank you, Allison. The county did pass the emergency ordinance to establish the Finance and Budget Committee. That ordinance was presented by Rick Cochran, who says Judge Wood will appoint all 15 JPs to be members on that committee.